All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another XRP update for you all. What an incredible last few days over the last week slash weekend XRP has had, with this incredible pump from this potential inverse head and shoulders. So in the last XRP update, in the last few XRP updates, we were talking about this larger head and shoulders pattern over here that had broken this neckline, this yellow one right here. It broken down to the downside. And in the last update, we were saying that if we were to continue rejecting from this point, as we need a break through this yellow line to invalidate it. And I warned you that in the case that we do invalidate it, it will be this inverse head and shoulders that was already drawn on this chart from the last video update. So what happened over here was price broke out of the head and shoulders pattern. The target was set down here in and around the 2 Fibonacci's, but we had some confluence at this double bottom pattern over here that hadn't been retested. So that could have been a reason to come down there. It doesn't necessarily mean it 100% has to come down there, but it's a reason why it could return back down there, because we broke out and didn't come back and retest it. Yes, and so we had some confluence with that. We'd broken out, validated this head and shoulders pattern, and so until you get back above this, you need to believe that we're going to meet this target. And so we need to find reasons why this target may not be met, because on the channel here we look at it both ways. And so that's why you need to actually watch the video full length, because the title might say one thing, but in the video I might say there's something there to invalidate it. But I'm not going to put that in the title, because YouTube's about getting those clicks, unfortunately, guys. So there will be something like all out there, but in the video you're going to get the truth. So over here we had the head and shoulders neckline broken. We were, I think in the last update, sitting over here. We were about to invalidate the bearish cross that happened right there on the breakout, and we formed a bullish cross right there on this breakthrough. So the reason why we actually went up over here instead of continuing down, there are reasons for it. Let me just get rid of this, and I'm going to turn off the moving averages as well, because there's a bit too much in the way at the moment. We're just looking at price action. So this was our lowest point, and this was our highest point within this range of the right shoulder over here. And so we of course lost the golden pocket. When you're using the fibs and I'm measuring from this point until there, this is the impulse that I'm measuring. So we're meant to exhaust down into this area and then look for continuation higher. But we can see that we lost this area, although as you can see, and we zoom in, we had multiple bullish candlestick patterns over here. Even the last two over here, bullish engulfing, then we bearish engulfing, and then continued lower once we broke through all the wicks that it created in this area. And these wicks are saying, I don't want to go down. I tried and I didn't like it. I tried and I didn't like it. That's what the wicks are saying. So with the rules of the Fibonacci's, we should actually see continuation over here, not a break of this head and shoulders neckline, sending us back down to in and around this double bottom neckline over here, just for a retest and then continuation. But with the fibs, there's a set of rules that once you lose this golden pocket, the reverse wave is being created. So you target back where we came from, which had happened, and then getting through that point, if we lose the one fib level, which we can see right over there, we continue to these targets, and we actually fail to continue through them. So this is where we reverse and come back where we came from, and we found support in there, creating this inverse head and shoulders, which I did leave you guys off with in the last update. And if you've been following along with the Bitcoin updates every single day, we've been talking about this falling wedge, and we're actually seeing this across many cryptos. So this was the reversal pattern, the falling wedge. When you break out over here with this very nice bullish candle, you're meant to come back up to the top. So we can see we're almost pretty much there. So a lot of people would say, yes, it's done it already. It's down to you for you to decide whether that's true or not. But the resistance over here on the left has been flipped into support, and we've reclaimed that. So going forward, I need to see 49 cents being reclaimed, being held as support. This is something that I mentioned in the last update as well, as we were approaching this area. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. What I want to see going forward is this trend line holding. So yeah, before we end this off, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share this to your followers as well, to boost up this algorithm. Pretty much we need engagement. So yeah, commenting, even if it's just a thanks or an emoji, that's really appreciated. If you want me to teach you how to recognize these patterns and the candlestick names and so on and so forth, with some strategies as well, of the moving averages and the Fibonacci's, I've got over an hour content on the Fibonacci's in my course. So I've got a course in place, I've got one-to-one mentorship in place. All the links you need can be found over here in the description and pinned comment section below. Just click this course and mentorship link for one of those. With the mentorship, you get the course included, and you'll become a member for 3 months for free. And if you want to just become a member, click this link over here. Otherwise, private message me through my Twitter. And yeah, make sure you're following me here anyway, guys. I've almost got 2,000 followers, so let's get those next 30 people following over here. And any further updates throughout the day. So the last 2 days I was away. So yesterday I went to see Jack Whitehall live and just stand-up comedy, and then the day before I was in what was it called, Cheltenham, just looking at the village or town or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I was making updates over on my Twitter because I wasn't available to actually make YouTube updates. But yeah, make sure you're checking this out. That's pretty much it for today's XRP update. We need to hold this uptrending line over here. Again, as we now, lost this golden pocket, reclaimed it. Remember what was meant to happen over here: push, exhaust, continuation. So we're just continuing with that path, but you went down first and then you're doing the same thing again. Can you see? There we go. So that's pretty much it. Let's see if we have met this target. But yeah, I think it has. Yeah, so pattern's target has been met pretty much as we approach the top of the falling wedge. So the expectation is now that we need to hold above this level over here, in and around this area. So yeah, hold. Well, you can even drag this down, to be honest. Yeah, pretty much there. So around 45, 46 cent, we need to hold that going forward if we were to even dump back below. Again, if you dump back below this yellow trend line, then we have to say the target is valid again, back down to the double bottom trend line again. But although it would say it's valid again, you need to lose this as well. So it's like all step by step, to level by level. That's it, guys. For now, it's actually it. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment. All the links you need to take action or to just message me are found in the link in the description and pinned comment section below. Cheers.